Napo?
Hey. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
So why is it?
Hold on. Are you there, Napo?
You've been away for some time.
Been away for a while.
I was on vacation.
Okay, sir. Now you are here. The house is in recess. Can you?
Which house?
So we get to end
Well,
this.
as you rightly said, I'm here. So as I'm here, it simply means the house is on.
Well, sir, on social media, we have it information flowing that you barged into this premises.
Confirm it now. If you add,
So we are trying to confirm from you. Can you tell us exactly?
So what are you implying?
are-
Are you saying that I broke it or I broke the door to get access? Is that what you are saying?
I don't know.
So
sir.
I go and confirm now. If you have had, then confirm from your source. He will do what?
That
Allege. Will do what?
must prove.
So you are back.
Since
Have you been reinstated? Are you back now?
I've told you repeatedly, I've never been removed. There's nothing like impeachment. So I don't know what you are saying. I've said this openly.
Sir.
That everybody, remove, what is it called? Impeachment or whatever, or removing is all democratic and constitutional. But in doing that, to achieve that, you must follow the due process. Nobody is against that. I'm not against being removed. If I do that, then I'm not democratic. But all we are saying, let us go through the normal process and achieve that. So if we do, fine. That's just, I'm not against anybody. I don't have anything against anybody. All my colleagues, they've always been my brother. They have always been loyal. They've been dedicated. A strong commitment to serve the people of Lagos. I will continue to do that together. For me, I have no reservation, nothing against anybody, and no intention of victimization. So
Okay, sir.
So you
there is
took
a
the
case
house to the
in
court.
As in, there's a
what
case
is the case about? What is the case about?
about
the
your
current
removal.
I don't have anything like that.
Okay, sir. Are you not disturbed that currently members of the party they are now being pitched against one another over this crisis?
No. Our party is one. We are all brothers and sisters.
But we just had
It's a family. It's a family party. Everybody is entitled to his or her. Thank you.
So what's next?
Once again, we want to thank and appreciate the press for doing your duty, despite all the intimidation, for being here to still see us. This is Lagos, and this is Lagos State House of Assembly. We are approached by our leaders that we should remain calm and take things easy until they approach. But we are shocked to see what is happening today. And we are still expecting them to come and tell us where we went wrong or what really went wrong. We won't take laws into our hand, just like I told the staffs that they should not take laws into their hands. But we all belong to different constituencies, and we have our mandate. And whatever has to happen, the leadership should speak with us, and not this charade that we are seeing. We are not happy, and we are already demystified. We are shocked to see what is happening, despite the fact that this is Lagos. This is the center of excellence. This is where everything starts and it stops. We've been law-abiding. We've not gone out of our way. We've not done anything against the state or against anybody. But we also want to be respected, to be given our dignity, to be shown that we were elected. So I'm appealing to the leadership of our party that we cannot continue this way. We are all here, you can see us. These are honorable members, few of us that are not here are here. So anything that happens, they've taken us to court. And it is for us to let the process follow its due course. But what we are seeing today is a charade. It's uncalled for. It's an embarrassment. Because for me to even enter the gate, I was stopped and told by security operatives that I cannot enter the House of Assembly. It's an embarrassment. And this must stop. We've said this clearly. We are not against the leadership's decision. But they should call us and tell us to our face, and not us hearing rumors. We are not against leadership decisions. It is the leadership. They took us here. They are our leaders, and we still stand They nominated us, and we still stand with their decisions, but not to do it this way. We were embarrassed. So thank you, gentlemen.
We hereby reject Obasa.
We reject Obasa. We reject him in totality. We reject him. Let's go back. Reject him.
With all totality, we reject him.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. God will be with you all.
Press, you can now go.
Thank you all. You can now go home, no problem. We're done. Yes, now we reject him.